Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make a cheerleading pom-pom using paper bags. Take a paper bag and first tear off the handles. Then tear open the bottom and side joints of the bag. Fold the paper in half lengthwise twice and then once widthwise. Staple along the top folded edge and also at one end to hold the paper layers in place. Now cut open the folded sides. Start cutting thin fringes all along the paper. These will be the pom-pom strands. Here I'm using a discarded unused sketch pen as the handle. Wrap the pen with masking tape. Apply hot glue and start rolling the fringed paper tightly around the pen. Secure the end with masking tape. Your paper bag pom-pom is ready to cheer. I've made another one using a brown paper bag as well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recycled craft, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIYs.